Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn about two functions in Kusto. One is min and other one is the MinIf. Min function returns the minimum value across the group. MinIf returns the minimum value across the group for which predicates are valued to true. Let's go ahead and take a look at what does this exactly mean and how this works. So first of all, we need some data, and I'm using a total sale table, which definition is right here. We have salesperson first name, last name, item sold, item price, and all that. So we'll be using these two columns specifically. Now I have inserted some data, and now what we are going to do, we are going to take a look on the table data. Here is the total sale. Just select the table name and execute. That means you would like to see all the records from total sale table. Now, if you are interested to get the minimum price, sold price, you can do that as well. So that's what we want to do. There are tons of items which were sold, and we are interested in the item which were sold with the minimum price. I can see there is a computer sold to the Ali, and his price was 300. Now, how you write the query? You will say total sale. Then you will have pipe sign, summarize, min, and column name. Here is the sold price. So go ahead and execute, and it's going to return us 300. That's the minimum sold price in this entire table. Now, if we are interested in more by group, that's possible because sometimes people want to see in each of the region what was the minimum value the item was sold. So that's possible. We'll say total sale. You have pipe sign, summarize, min, and then provide a column by region. So this is going to divide or get the minimum value across each of the region. So let's execute that, and we can see that in Europe the minimum value that we sold an item was 1200, in North America 700, and in Asia 300. So that's the price by region. You can go further, and if you want to do country and all that, you can do that too, because we have region, countries, and everything, region, country, state, city, and all that in our table. So we can further divide into multiple columns. So now we are getting minimum sale price for Europe, Germany 1200, and in the Europe, France, that's a 2100. Then in North America 700, and in Asia we have two countries. One is India, that's the minimum sold price was 900, and in Pakistan it was 300. Now, if in the previous example you see that we were doing for the group by like a group by right there. So now think about that. If you are only interested in one group and you would like to get the value for that group, the min value, so you can use a MinIf. What it will do, it will first filter these records. So think about something like that. So it's going to be total sale where region equal to Asia, and then what you are saying, summarize, min, and then sold price. So this is something like that. That's how it's going to work. So first of all, it's going to filter these records. So see right there, we are filtering the records for Asia. Once we have filtered the records for Asia, we would like to get the minimum value for sold price. So then we are introducing this value or this row. So it is getting us 300. Now, if we want to use a MinIf, we don't have to write this part at all, and MinIf function can take care of it. So you will provide the column name for which you would like to get a min value, that's sold price, and then you provide the filter. So here we are saying look for only region Asia, and then provide me the minimum sold price from there. This is exactly same query like this, but it is with the MinIf. So if we can execute, and it is returning us a 3. Now with the MinIf you can also use greater than, equal to, and also signs as well. So here I'm saying that, hey, get me total sale data from total sales, summarize MinIf, that's the sold price where item is greater than 3. So see, instead of Asia region, I'm saying where item sold greater than 3 now. So my condition has changed. So it's gonna filter the records according to this condition first, and then it gets the min price for there. So see right there, that's what it is returning. Now if you can go ahead and just want to take care of how the min work, you can say total sale, summarize min, and the item sold. You can always do by different columns as I showed you in previous demo right here on top of it. Okay, so I hope this videos help, and you will understand how to use min and minif functions in Kusto. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.